Hello, welcome back to Totally Doable Family Adventures. If you're new to the channel, I hope that you would consider subscribing and make sure that you hit the notifications bell so that if you are liking the videos that we're putting out at the moment. A couple of things that we found when we were new to camping is we had some quite serious concerns about some important survival things. One was getting access to good quality coffee. So today what we thought we would do is make a video about how to make coffee when you're out camping, or one of the ways to make coffee when you're out camping. So yeah, let's get started. Right, here we go. Give us... Right. No. Oh yeah, bring your pen. Okay. Oh. Seems obvious that my tripod does not like camping. Okay, so set up there like that. Right, beautiful. Now what else do we need, Archer? We need water. Matches. There we go, water. Pot. Cup, matches, beautiful. We need gas. Let's get some gas. I just cannot believe how much stuff it actually needs to just set up, just to make a cuppa. It's not right, is it?
It's working, Mummy.
It's not working. Oh, here we go. Have to do it the right way. That helps, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, go the right way. There we go. Now we've got the gas attached. Get some water. Oh no. Now we need to put it on the stove. Cooking, Archer. Right, now we wait. Archer? Hello? Ow! Gotta get the coffee going while it boils. Get it all set up. Okay. Oh, darling, don't play with the gas. Oh, shit. What the hell is this? Who designed this? Just be careful, don't bump the table, Bubba. Yeah. That one's yours. Careful, careful, it's yours. Careful, hot, low on it. Let's give it a stir. Low on it, Bubba. Good boy. You can drink it, yeah. Is it too hot? Thank you so much for watching.
No.
If you're enjoying, please subscribe and tap the notifications bell, and we'll see you next time around. Chin